Project Garage back with another little video. Manual swapping a 325i, making it a 6-speed. Pretty dope. Look at that. We out here doing a little manual swap.
Hey,
little manual swap.
E46 Jimmy at the right here.
And Trippy Gangster. Boys be mobbing.
Hey, so y'all stay tuned. Try to get this man rolling out to Skids for Kids, but if he doesn't come, it's on him, and y'all should tell him about why he didn't come in the comments. Like, subscribe, comment, you know, vibes.
And we back at it again, you know, Captain Saberho, Captain Hype Man Jizzle. Yeah, like we said, we gonna try to get this guy out here. And if he not, I'm gonna need 100 subscribers for me to kick him in the nuts.
Don't do that, man.
Kick him in the nuts, goddamn it.
You already know. Hey,
like, what's the name? Hurt?
Oh, that nigga Hurt is hilarious, bro.
slaps the hood of the park.
Good.
Good, bro.
What's up?
So when you're doing manual swapping this thing?
It's already a manual.
It's already manual now?
Yeah, we just swap it. My other one is not done yet.
What you waiting on now?
That one just getting a key made because I damn lost a fucking key. I remember.
That's right. This man JP over here doing something. What you got going on?
Little brake change, you know.
Grilled and slaughtered?
The new. Yes, sir. Got to the other side now.
Chill. Oh, I know I see somebody under here. Are you alive, dude? I see feet, bro.
Good.
All I see is feet. Y'all see it though. Whole lot of manual swapping going on.
How long you gonna be working on this?
Yep. Oh yeah. Get them lights up. Go get me one. I'm gonna be doing this too. All right, Brody. Adios.
Alright, Meadow. Easy.
Alright, listen. Today we're going to be changing the brakes on a 2001 BMW E46. What is this called? H7. There's two of these. And there's a second one of these right up under it.
Two bolts.
Super. I'm glad you got that.
Tighten it back up.
Yeah, I'll tighten it back up.
Oh shit. Hey, shit happens. We're doing the spark plugs.
Bro, me and marijuana
Aren't too good of friends,
when I'm working on things.
Yeah.
They're gonna be slamming me in the comments.
Nah. If you want them to do that, then I'll leave it. Look at that sunset. Money.
If ain't nobody else gonna get you right.
I need to switch the cameras.
So you have to take this clip off to be able to take this whole piece off. Look at it. Pops out like that. There you go. Put that in there so you can keep up with it. This should come off. Alright, there we go. That one's not so bad. Alright, now we have to press the caliper. Let's use the old pad. Over here to our new brake. Alright, now I think we're supposed to put some grease on the back side of it. A little bit of this grease that came with the brake pads. Dab that on there. Don't know if I should put any on this, but go ahead and put some on there just to be safe. Better safe than sorry. you make sure this clip goes into this hole, and you want to make sure it's facing the right way. So something like that. It goes on top. Usually there's supposed to be a metal piece that clips in there, and then there's a wire that connects to here, but the left side had it. I don't know why the right side doesn't have it. Slide this on like this. Nice and easy. It's important that you depress your calipers. So we're gonna put these back in. There's 2 of them. One goes in the top, one goes in the bottom. You also have to put the clip back on the brake caliper too. I mean the brake pad. Let's tighten these down just a little bit.
We know what time it is, baby. It's go time from here.
So that bitch is in there.
Oh yeah.
That's what's up.
Oh, that's where the shit had to come through at, ain't it?
Yeah.
Him in the car, him don't know how to work on cars.
He just sits there for moral support
Him just sit there.
and to do what McKenna said.
What?
Yeah.
What'd you
Look
say?
at him. He's
What'd you say?
sitting
Just
there
tell me
like,
when to
what
dump
you
it,
do
bro.
next? 'Cause I don't know.
Just tell me when to bump it, bro. Cousin, how you doing?
Your cousin,
You know me and McKenna got the same last name.
oh, that's right.
How you doing?
Man, I didn't think you were home,
Y'all hear it?
He's just like, I don't even know what the hell going on.
She ready to go in?
Ready to go in?
Ooh,
I got the old one out. So I put this one in.
It's heavy.
Yeah.
Oh, there go Peasy.
Yo, Peasy.
Yeah.
I need you to lift up on the back end of this thing, dude. Like, and bring it over your way. It's heavy now, but. All right, hang on. All right, pull it your way.
This way?
Yeah. Slide it in. Hang on. Slide it back out some. Ow.
Touch your face.
Keep it slid in. Alright, hang on right there. Alright, hang on 1 second. Fucking dirt out my mouth.
Meanwhile. Chill it.
All he said I gotta do is hit the brake, put the car in gear, put the car in reverse, put the car in neutral. That's what I'm here for.
state job. Every time you ride past seeing them working on doing road work, how many people are actually working?
True.
True.
They mostly standing around.
Yeah, I'm here for moral support.
I'll plug that in right here.
Yep.
Yeah, they're gonna be working right here. Watch.
I'm just here just to be here.
Nation.
I'm here to document Ray being lazy. No.
Yeah, you're gonna have to turn this probably. I'm gonna lift it up. You turn that little thing. Turn that thing. Hold on. That's the twist up. So.
Ray, quit fucking with it.
It's not a 6-speed.
All right, cool.
Fuck it. I don't care.
Alright, from there.
Already?
BMW Jack.
Oh yeah.
Represent Candy.
Hey, Rollin.
Mm-hmm.
Could you hand me an 18?
Hey man, that's gonna do it. That's gonna be part 1. We're gonna see y'all again when this thing is buy it up, you know what I'm saying? So y'all hit that like and sub. You know what to do. Peace. Surprise, surprise. Hold on, y'all. Before we go, I was just finna head out. No cap. Look, car running and everything, ready to go. He was like, hold on, Bryce. You about to start it. Let's see. Did the manual swap work?
I don't have no pressure in my.
In the clutch? You probably gotta bleed it.
What was that noise though? I don't know. And that tread? Shit don't sound good though. And I'm about tired of fucking with it.
Oh, Y'all know what to do. Smash that like. We'll be back for a part 2.